Here's the turkey now, guys. Ay, tinanggal na pala niya yung mga yung binabad. Ayan, so ito yun, guys. Isasalang na niya. You put something more, mahal? Or
Yeah.
just like this?
No, I'm gonna do this from a guy, Kinder Barbecue. I'm just watching, see how he does it.
Oh, you have a... Oh, ayan. Gagayahin pala niya yan.
So he does that.
Oh, di ba?
It's supposed to make it cook faster.
Okay, so yan pala ang gagayahin daw niya.
And then like that.
Oh. Oh, di ba? So,
We'll see.
okay, we'll see.
We'll see how we do.
Ayan. Di ba? Pinupunasan pa talaga. Ayan, susubukan na niya. Oops. Here we go. This is it.
Get
Tingnan
these
natin
off.
kung matama ba siya. Ayan. Pinungkulan. Pungkol. Ayan.
Come on, get the joint.
Come on. Careful.
Get in the joint.
Okay, so we'll see.
We'll see.
Gagayahin daw niya.
I think okay, like this. I think. What is this? Cut down there. Cut down there. Cut down there.
You got it.
There.
It's easy.
Kinda.
It's easy. Joke
And
lang.
then we take that. Flip it over.
Ayun, no. Hop. Ay, nadulas. Ayan.
Like that.
Uh-huh.
Just like that.
Oh my God, yeah, it's really big.
And then we'll take some butter. Put butter up in here.
Okay.
That's what he says to do. On the breast. Small breast on this one.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it for the turkey.
You want to get the butter out?
Where?
It's in the refrigerator. No, this.
What's the butter?
Up
This one?
there, yeah. Yep.
Ayan, dinalagyan nito, guys. Lando X butter inside. We'll see. What are you doing?
Making a hole next to put the butter in.
Ah, di ba? Ilalagay ngayon yung
He used a pound of butter. I'm only going to use a half a pound.
Half only?
He used one whole package.
Oh,
I'm just not going to use that much.
okay.
This is supposed to make it
Oh.
moist.
Ayun, nilagay na yung butter sa loob. Oh my gosh. Tingnan natin kung masarap na talaga yung mamaya. Matitikman natin yan.
And then it's supposed to go in the smoker.
The other side. Ayan, nilalagay niya sa kabilang side, guys.
For,
Kasi pag nag-melt yan, di ba kakalat naman yan. So, ganon. Ooh. Ayan, mukha namang masarap. Ayun, nandun na yung mga butter. Mukha namang masarap. That side only, mahal. How about this side?
no,
No?
just the chicken breast.
Ah.
This one is darker meat, so there's fat here.
Ah, okay.
They're doing the reason the butter is there's no fat.
Ah, okay.
So they put butter in there to make it, keep it moist.
Kailangan anahan pa niya. Careful. You make a hole.
I don't want to make a hole.
yeah.
Just make it a little deeper.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, mukhang masarap guys. May mga butter nilalagay sa loob. Yan. Okay.
And then we just,
Di-
when the temperature, we just stick it on the barbecue or the smoker like that.
in the smoker?
Yeah.
Oh, ayan. So, ilalagay pala niya to guys doon sa
Gotta wait till.
smoker.
No, I put it out. Put it out there yesterday.
Oh, in the garage?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, ilalagay namin to guys sa smoker. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong kalabasan ng aming turkey. Ayan. Uy, suy! Ayan, abangan natin yan kung anong kalabasan ng kanyang turkey. So, ayan guys, sinagdagan niya ng mga seasoning. Ayan. Pagkatapos niya nilagyan ng butter, ayan. O, diba, binalot niya. Ay, ang daming nilagay na seasoning. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong lasa nito, guys. Alam mo naman, tayo or ako talaga, guys, gusto ko lang talaga asin lang. Asin or, paminta. Pero sa kanila kasi, guys, maraming iba-ibang klase ng seasoning. Depende yan sa lulutuin mo. Or, sa gusto mo rin na seasoning. Ganon sila. So, tingnan natin, oh my gosh, kung anong kalabasan. Yung butter, guys, nandito na sa dito pala niya yung siniksik. Saan ba yun? Basta. Kasi tinaob na niya, hindi ko na nakita. So, ayan, pati dyan, guys, meron ng mga seasoning. So, we'll find out daw after 2 hours. Kasi lulutuin niya na to. Okay? Ayan. Oh, iwan ko lang. Alam niyo naman ako. Picky. We'll see. Abang. Ayan guys. Dinala niya na dito sa garahin namin. Dahil nilipat namin yung barbecuehan namin dito guys. Doon yan sa backyard. Nilipat niya dito kasi nag-i-snow. Okay, we'll find out. Ayun. OMG. Oh my God, ganyan lang pala. Yan. Ayun. And then, lalagyan niya guys ng, ayan. What's that about? Temperature?
Temperature gauge, yeah.
Yeah, i-temperature niya yan guys
It
para...
connects to my phone.
Okay. Nakakonect daw yan guys sa phone niya para alam kung luto na ba yung ilalim. Kasi yung importante guys, yung ilalim yan. Kailangan maluto. So, ayan. Meron siyang temperature.
Ready?
Yes! Ayan! Antayin natin guys. Mamaya yan. Luto na. After how many hours, mahal?
2.5 to 3.
Oh my God. 2.5 or 3 hours. Okay. We'll see!
Huh? Stop it. Yeah. Well, look at it, I guess. Ooh la la.
This is it, guys. Ayan. Oh, kinakat na niya yung turkey. Masarap naman pala. No, it's good. Mahal, how many hours? 3?
3.5.
Wow. 3.5 hours to, guys. Niluto niya sa, smoker. Right, mahal? Smoker. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan. Malapit na ang dinner. What's this one? Potato. Mashed potato. Siyempre, yun naman talagang nila. Ayan na yung turkey.
It's juicy.
That's it. It's good.
Juicy.
Yummy.
Good?
Ayan, so ayan guys kung paano lutuin niya yung kanyang turkey. Depende po yan guys sa inyo. Kung anong luto ang gusto niyo. Dati kasi piniprito lang namin yun ng buo. Yun, buong turkey yun. Prito namin, maraming mantika kailangan. Pero ito, ngayon guys, ini-smoke niya. Okay, that's it! At least alam nyo na.